Hi everyone, my name is Mehmood Sheikh and from past few videos I have been working on making a video tutorial series on C programming language. In my last video I completed the discussion on programming style, and in this video I'm going to discuss about execution of C program. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion on the execution of C program. Whenever we will be executing any C program, for us it might looks very easy, but behind the scene there will be lot of activities gets performed whenever we will be executing any C program. And in today's video we will be seeing what are those activities or operations gets performed behind the scenes whenever we compile and execute any C program. Okay. So here I have taken a diagram, and with the help of this diagram we will try to understand the entire process of executing a C program. So the process gets started with the source program. Source program is your C program which you have written for execute. So once the program gets compiled, then there is a system software called as compiler which compiles each and every instruction of C program. And as you guys know that each and every C program starts with header files. So the compiler first expand the code written in header files. Let me show you. Okay, so here I have written a simple example to find the square root of any number. As you can see here at the top I have included header files. So the compiler first expands the code written under these header files and include the code inside this file. Okay, apart from expanding these libraries or these header files, C compiler also process this predefined processor hash defined num25. Okay, so whenever in my program I want to use the value of 25, that I can made as a fixed value, and I can define that value at the top below the header files. So what compiler does is compiler will see this instruction and process this instruction, and in this entire program whenever the value of num encounters, it replaces the value of num with the value of 25. Okay, so initially compiler does all these activities, means expanding the code of header files or libraries and processing the preprocessor directives. Okay, and then compiler also converts the instructions from high level language to low level language or into the language which computer can understand. Once compiler does all these activities, then the control will go next to check for syntax errors. Okay, here compiler will see is there any syntactical errors present in the program. Suppose if you have made any errors, like if you have missed semicolon, or if you have missed the double quote, or if you have missed equal sign. Okay, so if you have made such errors, then those errors comes under syntactical errors. Okay, if compiler encounters such errors, then the control go back to the program where you need to correct those errors, and once again you need to compile, and then again control come back to the syntactical error stage. And now if it doesn't find any syntax errors, then control will move to the linker, where linker will link your instructions with the system library. While writing down the program, you might have used certain functions which needs to be linked to the system library. Like in this case, as you can see here, I have used a function, a predefined function square root, and the definition of this function will be written inside the math.h library. So linker needs to link these functions with their appropriate libraries. So that thing will done in this stage. So how much ever functions we have used in our programs, all those functions needs to be linked with the system libraries. Okay, and linker does that. Once the linker links the instructions with the system library, then it converts the program into executable object code, and then that executable object code gets loaded inside the main memory with the help of loader. Okay, once the executable object code programs comes inside the RAM or in the main memory, now at this point the execution gets start. then processor will take that executable code and start executing the instruction. During execution, it may also happen that we might have made certain logical error, like divide by zero error, array out of bound errors. Okay, so these are various types of logical errors. If it encounters such types of errors, then control go back to the source program. One more thing, that during execution you might also provide incorrect data, which leads to give you data error. If that happens, then again you need to input the data to the program during execution. Suppose if none of these errors gets encountered, then once you enter the data, then you will get the correct output, and then your program gets terminated. Okay, so all these activities gets taken care behind the scene whenever you will be executing the C program. I hope you guys got a better understanding now what are those activities gets taken care behind the scene whenever we will be executing any C program. And that's all for this video, guys. I will see you guys in my next video with some other topic. And if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.